Have you ever wondered how many people suffer from starvation in one of the world's wealthiest countries, the United States? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Welcome. Today we dive into the less glamorous side of the American dream: hunger and starvation. In the land of plenty, there are still many who go to bed hungry. According to Feeding America, around 42 million people, including 13 million children, face hunger in the United States. It's a staggering figure, isn't it? But what exactly is starvation? It's more than just feeling hungry. Starvation is a severe deficiency in caloric energy, nutrient, and vitamin intake. It's the most extreme form of malnutrition. In humans, prolonged starvation can cause permanent organ damage and eventually, death. Now, you might be wondering, why does starvation still exist in the United States? The answer lies in the intertwined issues of poverty, lack of access to nutritious food, and systemic inequalities. Firstly, despite its economic prowess, poverty remains a reality for many Americans. The Census Bureau states that in 2021, over 38 million people lived below the poverty line. That's approximately 1 in every 8 Americans. Secondly, access to nutritious food isn't uniform across the country. Areas known as food deserts exist, where fresh, healthy food is hard to come by. The USDA reports that approximately 23.5 million people live in food deserts, more than half of whom are low-income individuals. Lastly, systemic inequalities based on race, gender, and socioeconomic status further exacerbate the issue of starvation. Reports show that food insecurity rates are higher among minority groups and single-parent households. So, what can we do about this? There are numerous organizations that work tirelessly to fight against hunger and starvation in the United States. They provide food assistance, advocate for better policies, and raise awareness about the issue. However, they can't do it alone. They need our help. Consider this: if every person watching this video were to donate just 1 can of food or $1 to a local food bank, we could make a significant dent in the fight against starvation. We can also push for policy changes that address the root causes of starvation: poverty, lack of access to nutritious food, and systemic inequalities. Remember, change begins with awareness. By understanding the issue of starvation, we can start conversations, spread the word, and take action. In the end, it's not just about feeding the hungry. It's about creating a society where no one has to go to bed hungry. So do your part. Donate, advocate, raise awareness. Together we can make a difference. Thank you.